Hello, hi, and welcome back. This is Riddhi Makhwana. So, the video which we are making today is on a very important topic, which is cervical cancer. So, cervical cancer क्या है? कोई भी कैंसर जो फीमेल बॉडी के एक पार्ट दैट इज नोन एज सर्विक्स उसमें होगा उसे हम सर्वाइकल कैंसर कहेंगे. So, what is a cervix? Cervix is a part which connects the uterus with the vagina. Now, why is this cancer so important? Because whenever there's cervical cancer, there is high probability that this cancer can spread on to the deeper layers and वहाँ से वो आपके बॉडी में कहीं पे भी spread on हो सकता है. Say it can spread on to the bladder, or it can spread on to the rectum, or it can metastatize and spread on to the lungs, liver, etc. anywhere. So this holds a very important place in the types of cancers. The leading cause of cervical cancer is due to an infection with human papilloma virus. But the good news is there is a vaccination against the virus. The vaccine can prevent most cases of cervical cancer in women and girls if it is given before the exposure to the virus. In addition, this vaccine can also prevent vaginal and valvular cancers, and it can also prevent genital warts and cancers in men and women both. In theory, if this vaccination is done to the boys, it can reduce the chances of spread of virus to the girls through sexual transmission. Now, the women which are most affected are in the age group of 35 to 44 years old, and there are less than 15% of cases in women above 65 years affected by this virus. Now let's move on to the causes, signs and symptoms and diagnosis of cervical cancer. Now about the causes. So cervical cancer is caused by the infection with the human papilloma virus, and it is due to the sexual transmission only. This is the leading cause and the only cause of spread of cervical cancer in female body. So moving on to the signs and symptoms, you might have noticed certain signs and symptoms of cervical cancer, which also includes pain while having sex, then unusual vaginal bleeding such as after having sex, or after in between the periods, or after menopause, or after a pelvic examination, or there's unusual vaginal discharge. So these are the red flags which you should not ignore. Then after it has spread, the cancer can cause pelvic pain, then trouble while urination or trouble while peeing, then there's swollen legs, then there's kidney failure, there's bone pain, or there's weight loss, and there's lack of appetite, and the female experiences fatigue and weakness. So these are the signs and symptoms of cervical cancer. So now let's move on to the diagnosis and examination of cervical cancer. So about the diagnosis and examinations of cervical cancer, the most important and widely used examination is the pap smear, and the other one is high risk HPV testing. So a pap smear is a part of the female's regular pelvic examination, so in which the doctor collects cells from the surface of the cervix, and then it is examined under a microscope, and if any unusual finding is obtained, it is then recommended for a biopsy. अगर कोई भी unusual findings मिलते हैं, then the doctor will suggest you the two more advanced tests, which are colposcopy. It is also like a pelvic examination, and the other one is LEEP, that is loop electrosurgical excision procedure. So these are the procedures which they will recommend you after they have found any unusual thing in the pap smear. So pap smear is a very important diagnostic tool, क्योंकि ये आपको वेल एडवांसली बता देता है कि आपको सर्वाइकल कैंसर होने वाला है या ऐसे कोई सिम्टम्स है क्या. सो इफ एनी डॉक्टर रिकमेंड्स अ पेप स्मेयर, इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग टू रूल आउट द सर्वाइकल कैंसर, और rule out the prevalence of cervical cancer in near future. So I hope this video is helpful. This video is brought to you by Cancer Rounds. You can visit our Facebook page or our website to know more. You can contact us on our customer care number and we are always there to help you. Have a good day. Thank you.